What's the meaning of booze? Booze. Booze.
Booze. Booze. The term booze refers to any alcoholic beverage, typically consumed for its intoxicating effects. The use of alcohol as a social lubricant has long been a part of human culture, and many people enjoy the taste and relaxation that comes with drinking in moderation. However, excessive consumption of alcohol can have serious health consequences and lead to addiction, accidents, and other forms of harm. Therefore, it is important for individuals to consume alcohol responsibly and in accordance with applicable laws and regulations to avoid negative consequences for themselves and others.